I wish I was a spaceman, the fastest guy alive. I'd fly you around the universe in Fireball XL5. Way out in space together, conquerors of the sky. My heart would be a fireball, a fireball. Every time I gaze into your starry eyes, we take the path to Jupiter, then maybe very soon we'd cruise along the Milky Way and land upon the moon. To a wonderland of stardust, we'd zoom away to Mars. My heart would be a fireball, a fireball. 'Cause you'd be my Venus on the stars. But no, I'm not a spaceman, famous and renowned. I'm just a guy that's down to earth with both feet on the ground. For it's all imagination, and I'll never reach the skies. My heart is still a fireball, a fireball. Every time I gaze into your starry